All right, bracket 1 is on, as you can see. All right, one nice thing about using Loctite is you don't have to kill it with the torque, because you just snug it on up, it's not gonna come out. Black Hawk crew chief. All right, 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna take those out, and I'm gonna demonstrate this time just for our young bucks out there. All right. There we go. To the river's creatures, and he would never dare take me locking. To the front porch we go talking. Sweetie pie, you wanna watch this? Sure. Watch this, just a little. Oh, that's it. That's all she needs. Oh, my little princess, my daddy was there. And then take it out there. And to the front yard we go. Summer printer. One little technique I use to not over torque is to grab the ratchet like so. Okay, have less leverage. You don't want to be cranking on 1/4" drive bolts like all the way back there. Yep. And you just kind of have a system of manual torque. Once it's snug, then you just do 1/4 turn. Or German torque is 2 chugga chuggas. American torque. American torque is a 1/4 turn before it breaks. Think about that. See you next time.